Have you ever wondered how title animations are made in Premiere Pro? Let's start with the basic typewriter effect. In the effects library, look for Typewriter. To apply, drag and drop this to your text element and play it back. An effective way to reveal your text one letter at a time. This typewriter effect is very effective for showing URLs and such. Now, if you're looking for a more sophisticated tool, I suggest you try the Film Impact Text Animator. In the effects library, look for Text Animator, and out of the box, it comes with this title animation. To make some modifications here, simply click the effect, change the preset to something, for example, the squeeze up. There you go. Think about the time you can save with this tool. You'll sometimes find the typewriter revealing your text as entire blocks. So instead of showing each letter one by one, entire words get dropped onto your screen. Our text animation tools try to isolate each character. Whenever the text is too condensed, or there's a stroke around the text, or even a drop shadow, will make the plugin unable to isolate each character. Whenever you want to apply a drop shadow, this is what I recommend. Selecting the entire text element, including the text animation tool, right-click to make a nest, and you can now apply the drop shadow to the nested sequence. This is the way to combine both the drop shadow and the text animation tool. Creating text reveals in Premiere Pro with Film Impact plugins will save you tons of editing time. Try it yourself. Visit filmimpact.com and start with 30 days of free access. Stay creative, and I'll see you next time.